How to set take profit in Exness. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are logged in. On the home screen, tap on the trade section to view the available markets. Select the instrument you want to trade, for example, Euro or USD, and tap on it to open the trading interface. Now choose whether you want to place a buy order if you think the price will rise, or a sell order if you expect the price to drop. After selecting your order type, tap on the three vertical lines at the corner of the pop-up window. This will open the options to set stop loss and take profit. Tap on the take profit field to enter the price at which you want the trade to automatically close to lock in profits. You can set the take profit price above or below the current market rate depending on whether you are placing a buy or sell order. This helps you secure profits automatically without having to monitor the trade constantly. After entering the desired take profit value, review all the trade's details carefully. Tap confirm to place the trade with the take profit in effect. Once your trade is active, you can monitor it in the open positions section. When the market reaches your take profit price, the trade will automatically close and your profit will be added to your account balance. Now you know how to set take profit in Exness. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.